In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to Notion from a Google search, sign into your workspace, open the right menu, and copy a page link so you can use it with another account. I'll keep things clear and practical, and I'll point out small details that help you avoid common hiccups along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and look for the official result from Notion.com. It should display the familiar Notion logo and the secure padlock in your address bar once you click through. If you see ads or similar-looking sites, double-check the URL before proceeding. Going in through Google is handy when you're on a new device or can't recall the exact address, and it makes sure you land on the latest, official homepage. Once you're on the Notion website, click Log In. You'll find this option on the main page, typically in the upper corner. Choose the sign-in method you normally use, whether that's Google, Apple, or your email. If you have multiple workspaces or accounts, consider using a private or incognito window to keep sessions separate. That helps prevent accidentally switching into the wrong space. Follow any prompts to complete authentication and wait for your workspace to load. After you're in, navigate to the page you want to work with. Look toward the top of the page or near your workspace name for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Overflow or More menu. It appears as an ellipsis and may shift slightly depending on your window size. If you don't see it immediately, maximize the browser window or hover near the page title to reveal additional controls. Clicking these three dots opens a context menu with actions related to the current page. From that menu, select Copy Link. Notion will place the page's URL on your clipboard and confirm that it's been copied. This link is what you'll use if you need to access the same page from another account. Keep in mind, access depends on the page's sharing settings. If the other account doesn't have permission, the link won't open the content. Treat the link like any other resource pointer. Paste it where you need it, such as into a new browser window when signed in with the other account. That's all there is to it. You searched for Notion, logged in, found the three-dot menu, and copied the page link successfully. Thanks for watching, and great job following along.